Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just picked up a new truck today. We're going to start a new project. Just picked up a new 2021 Tacoma TRD Sport. We've got the double cab, four-wheel drive. Going to do some minor stuff right now. We are still working on the Jeep. I've got some more footage of it. We did finally get a hard top for it. We've got it on, and we also got the 2-inch Mopar lift I was talking about. So it looks really cool. Can't wait to show you guys. But anyway, I did order a tonneau cover for this truck, and my wife said UPS man delivered something today, so hopefully that's what came. So if they did, I'll show you guys how to put it on. Really like these tonneau covers. I get them from Amazon. I had one on the last Tacoma that we worked on, and it was an off-road. Really good tonneau cover for the money. I mean, unbeatable price. I mean, just for the quality of it. I think I have to pay $225 or so, free shipping. So, but anyway, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully, I'm going to show you some more of this build and also more of the Jeep. But let's see what we can get into. Well, there it is. That comes packaged. You can see so I'll get it in a box. I'll show you guys. Okay. And the tonneau cover comes in one of these bags. I'd already laid it out to look at it, but I mean, they're real good quality tonneau covers for what you're paying. Really easy to install. Basically, all you get to do is set it on there, open it up. I'll show you how to do it in a second. Put it on this truck. You guys probably already got these trucks and already got these on it. But, you know, like I said, I just picked this one up, so I'm going to go ahead and stick them on. You always want to make sure you got these on before you stick these hooks on. That way, when you roll it back, you'll have these. Stick these on real quick. I always want to make sure you put these back in too, because you don't want anything sliding back out. So just kind of keeps everything in place. And we'll set this top up against the cab. Try to get it squared up. So what I like to try to get place. So, just roll it out. This will help you determine where it needs to go. Just want to make sure that it sits fairly square on here. Once you get it attached to it, that way it makes a good seal and there is no leaking. Get a gasket, just want to make sure it sits on the back end up here too. So, once you get it where you think it's pretty square, kind of hold it in place. You're going to roll it back again, this way you can start attaching the hardware. Make sure you didn't lose your little Allen wrench because you'll need that to attach the hardware underneath here. So I'll go ahead and start attaching this and see how we do. Okay. Once you put these in the track, basically on this tonneau cover, these brackets will fold down. Save one of them for this safety connection. That way it's just an extra measure of safety in case something comes loose. It keeps keep the tonneau from coming off going down the road. But basically you can kind of just adjust this. You can tell where that needs to go. So once you got it in the location it needs to be, you can just tighten it up here. So I've got two of them back here. Just tighten it down where you need them. Then put your safety connect, just like so. Just tighten it up. That's about it. Then you do the same thing on the other side over here. You just tighten this up. I got that in the right spot. Make sure you tighten these up tight. Okay, so once you got all that tightened up the back, you want to pull this down, kind of hold it, make sure the line is straight, that it's square on there. We pull these down and check to see where they end, so we know where the handle's going to end. They're going to end about right here, so we'll pull this back. Take the provided Allen wrench. Tighten down your brackets in place. This is what's going to hold your tonneau cover down. Do the same way on this other side. Right here toward the end, where ours ended up. And if you're doing this on a different truck instead of Tacoma, sometimes it may have some different hardware, but it will show you how to attach it and the instructions will be real similar. So these have adjustments. They lock into place when you do want to take the top up and fold it up. But you can unscrew these if you need to lower them, or screw them back up, tighten it up, make it a bit tighter. So, let's see on the other side. I always leave one up while you attach one. Make sure that it fits tight. This one needs to go a little tighter so I can tighten it up. It has threads, so you can screw it up a little bit. Hold it down. That's good. Same way on the other side. Yeah, I can tighten this one up too. see it fits pretty firm. Always, when you get done too, you just want to make sure the tailgate. Check out the seal. Looks good. So, and that's all you got to do. You kind of see over here on the side what the profile looks like. These tops have the locking tabs. And I'll show you that real quick. So whenever you want to use it, right now this is how it would be. Lift it up. Lock those right here up into place. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see how they lock up into place here. Just fold it back all the way. You have your little, you can tighten these up too. You always want to do this when you're going, before you go down the road, then it keeps it from flying up. It's pretty simple though. Fairly easy to install. Yeah, this won't go anywhere. When you do want to haul something bigger, you still have your neck point. You done? Hook everything, fold it back. Pop these back down. Put them under. On this side. That's it. That's the tonneau cover on this Tacoma.